turn the light on.
I can't wait to go.
Now turn around and stand in this mirror. This is what you look like. Close your eyes.
I'm so
Just close your eyes. Just do it.
Go look in the mirror. Just look in the mirror.
Why? Turn down. Close your eyes.
Just look in the
So you're
mirror.
gonna see what you look like when you're
We're
sleeping.
not gonna do anything to you.
We swear we're not. I promise.
We're not gonna move. We're not gonna move.
I promise.
Except I might fall off.
Pinky promise.
Just count.
I pinky promise.
Pinky
Somebody
promise.
else do this first. I'm scared.
Nothing's gonna happen. Alright, I'll do
Nothing's gonna happen.
it. Ooh, it's scary. Just do
Do
it.
it.
I can't stop laughing now. Just try it. Do I have to?
Yes.
Yeah. Why?
Just do it.
Close your eyes so you can see what you look like when you're sleeping. Why?
I'm sleeping. Why do I care what I look like? I'm sleeping.
Just please do it. I'll give you $1.
I'll give you $1.
You promise?
I promise. I'll go get it out of my car when we leave.
I'm scared.
What's gonna happen? Is somebody gonna kidnap you or something? Krista, if anybody kidnaps you, they're bringing you back.
R2. Oh no. Okay, come on. Do it. Hold on.
I'll give you $1. I'll legitimately give you $1.
Hold on. I'll look for you. It's bright as ever. So it look goes on and 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 on.
Okay. Look at this mirror and close your eyes. Just do it.
Just close your eyes. I'm not gonna die. Oh, we promise.
Go.
Okay. So that's what you look like with your eye when you're sleeping.
I'm confused. I'm still confused. You can't see yourself.